Hi guys, I'm Kres, and in this video I'm going to show you how I play Till They Take My Heart Away by Clair Marlo, yung original, and
kinover naman ni Kyla and MYMP. So bali papakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano yung chords niya, kung paano ko siya tinutugtog. Yung plucking naman, kasi plucking to is more of freestyle lang yung ginagawa ko. Importante lang naman is tama yung chords mo. Okay.
So, let's go.
Tutorials at iba pa.
Okay, so yung intro niya, bali nasa pattern, yung first chord is nasa pattern ng C sharp minor 7, pero ang bass ay E. And then, C sharp minor 7, and then D. Bali ganito siya. Then yung verse niya is ganito. Look into your eyes, so far away. Trouble on your mind, you're losing faith. Hey now, let me hold you. It'll be okay. So I love you till they take my heart away. Then balik sa intro. Remember when you called and said goodbye? Thought we lost it all, and so did I. Even if I lost you, it'll be the same. So I love you till they take my heart away. Bale, chorus na to ah. When you leave here to stay, I love you till they take my heart away. Balik sa intro. I'm stronger than before. Verse ulit. You made it true. I never felt more sure because of you. Hey now, are you listening? Can you hear me say I love you till they take my heart away? Chorus. Believe here to stay. I love you till they take my heart away. Ito naman yung pinaka-adlib niya. Ganito yung chords. Lagyan nyo lang konting sundot. Ayan, bale transpose na to. Ang bagsak ng chorus ay B na, di ba? Believe Bali yung outro niya, bumagsak kasi yung kay Kyla sa F sharp. Yun, something like that. And then yung kay ano naman, kay MYMP, till they take my heart away. Yun yung pagkakaiba ng kay Kyla sa kay MYMP. Diba? Ito yung kay Kyla eh. Yun. Ganon siya. So, bahala kayo kung anong gusto nyo gawin. Pero ako ginagawa ko kasi yung kay MYMP. Bumababa ulit. Kasi ang hirap hawakan ito eh. So, dito na lang tayo. Kayo nang bahala. So, that's all. See you in the next video.